In this Elementor WordPress tutorial video, I'm going to show how to add a PDF download button in Elementor WordPress. Okay, so if you see that this is a landing page made with Elementor, a thank you page, and when I click on this button, download the ebook, it will open up this PDF file in a new tab. Okay, from which you can print it or even download it. Okay, if you click over here, you can download this and also print it whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to you can do that. Okay, firstly what you need to do, we need to go to the WordPress website backend, go to the media library. Okay, and in the media library you need to upload the PDF file um which you want to make it a download for the user. Okay, for example, okay, I will. Okay, this is the PDF file which I want to make it download, or maybe something else. Okay, let me just scroll down a bit. Okay, I am going to upload this PDF file which I'm going to make it available for download. I will upload this PDF file, and okay, so this is the PDF file, and I'm going to click over here, and all I need to do is over here copy this URL. Okay, I will copy this URL, and I will, for example, open this up same page in Elementor. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so I'm going to add a button over here. Great. I will let center align, and I will change the text to download now. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to copy this URL, PDF URL from the media library, and paste it over here. Okay, and you go to link options, click over here, and open. Check on this. Open in new window. Okay, then all you need to do is click on publish. Right, and if I refresh this page, you will see the other button. Okay, download now. If I click on this button, um, it will open up the PDF file in a new tab with the same options: download, print, etc. Download and print. Okay, so this is how you can easily add a PDF download button in Elementor WordPress. So I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube